Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today video is going to focus on Remark holding stock. It was one of the stock that we have covered in our recent video and it was biggest one in terms of revenue. We thought let's have a look at them first, and after having done the analysis in them, we go to admit this is a pretty interesting company with lots of interesting plans for the future. They want to grow their business significantly and the different ways that they want to achieve this. So we can easily see that the stock was trading at $0.82 US, at $0.69 US, growing with 9.18% positive gaining. In 5 days time frame, the stock was trading at $0.12 US, growing with 16.43% positive gaining. In 1 month time frame, the stock was trading at $0.03 US, growing with 3.90% positive gaining.